Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my Greek sheet pan chicken recipe that I got from the Every Last Bite website. I will put the link in the description. We're going to start off by getting a sheet pan, 1 red pepper, 1 yellow pepper, 1 red onion, I only had yellow, cherry tomatoes, artichoke hearts, lemon, chicken breast, olive oil, garlic, paprika, oregano, salt and pepper, basil, olives, and feta. Here, pause and write it down. I'll give it about 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to gather all of my ingredients and take out my sheet pan, preheat my oven to 400 degrees. My onions were already cut, so all I had to do was throw them on the sheet pan, threw the tomatoes on there. The peppers, I cut them up in 2-inch pieces. A can of artichoke hearts, I sliced them in half, cut up my lemon, put my olive oil and garlic and spices in my food processor to mix up, and then I coated my vegetables with 1/3 of the sauce. Next, I'm going to cut my chicken breasts in half. I used 3 instead of 2, and I'm going to place them on top of the vegetables and brush the sauce on top of them. Then I'm going to stick it in the oven for 25 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to slice up some basil, slice up my olives, and slice up my feta, because when the timer goes off, this all needs to go in the oven. When the 25 minutes are up, put the feta, basil, and olives in there and stick it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. I noticed that the chicken wasn't quite done to my liking, so I put it in for another 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, check out this deliciousness. So good. I am totally making this again. I did an estimation of cost of this meal. The chicken was the most expensive item at $11, and the can of artichoke hearts was $3. If you estimate $2 per pepper, $1 per onion, $5 for the cherry tomatoes, it averages out to about $29 in groceries. I got about 5 servings out of this, so that would make it under $10 per serving. I served this on some spinach I had in the fridge. I added some cucumbers and some tzatziki and even some radish on my plate because I love radish. Not a lot of people do. Doesn't this look good? And yes, if you don't like olives, if you don't like feta, you don't have to put it in here or put it aside for your spouse to eat for you. Just make it so you enjoy it. Please comment below if you want me to try a recipe of your liking. I hope you like and subscribe and have a great day.